Hey everyone, just a quick video about connecting your DJI Mini 3 Pro to your old RC that you have with the Mini 2 in the Air 2S. So I'm going to start up the RC and I'm going to start up the drone. And this is what's going to happen here. So actually immediately it actually recognizes the drone and it asks if you want to switch to do the quick transfer. So it actually detects the drone right away. So I'm going to switch and it's connecting. I'm going to hold the power. I'm going to hold the power for 2 seconds and let's see what happens. Okay, it's connecting, it's asking to join the Wi-Fi. So yeah, it seems to be really easy actually. It seems to be really simple. That's fantastic. Okay, great. So it's connecting, hasn't connected yet. Okay, it's asking to view the album. Great. Okay, well, that seemed to be very simple. So any of you who just buy the drone and not the new DJI RC and you want to use your old controller, it seems to be that simple. It's very, very easy. It's very easy to do. So yeah, great. And yeah, that's it. It's now gone in. Okay, well, so I hope this is helpful. Really, really quick tutorial here about how to connect your Mini 3 to your old controller. And great, okay, so fly safe.